Welcome back, students. So today we have question number 6 of 2023 IGCSE past paper. In that question we have one sequence has nth term this one, and find the first three terms of this sequence. Okay, so we have for n equals to 1. Okay, so we just substitute 1 instead of n, so 1 over 2 times 1 plus 3. Okay, that means 2 times 1 1, 2 times 1 2, and then 2 plus 3 5, so we get 1/5. Now for n equals to 2, okay, so 2 over 2 times 2 plus 3, that means 4 plus 3 7, so 2 7. Okay, this is the second term. I calculate the third one here. For n equals to 3, so 3 over 2 times 3 plus 3, so 3 over 3 times 2 6, 6 plus 3 9, so 3 9, or we say 1/3. So these are the three terms: 1/5, 2/7, and 1/3. Now in the next one, the kth term of this sequence is 12 over 25. Find the value of k. So kth terms means we just replace k instead of n. Okay, so k over 2k plus 3 equals to 12 over 25. Right, now we cross multiply, so 25k, that is equals to 12 times 2k plus 3. Okay, and 25k, that is equals to 12 times 2, that is 24, so 24k plus 36. Now this 24k is moving on other side, so it subtract from 25k, so we have k left, right? So that means k equals to 36. So k equals to 36 is the answer. Now we move to D part B. Find the nth term of each sequence. Okay, so if you see this sequence, we have 6, 13, 32, 69, and 130. So between the first, we find the difference. Okay, so between the first two we have the difference, so we called it first difference. Okay, first difference, that is not equal, here we place semicolon. Okay, so between them we have 7 difference, then between these two we have 19, and then 32 and 69, it's simple, 37, and then the next one is 61 between these two. Now we have the second difference, so between 7 and 19 we have 12, then 19 and 37 we have 18, then 37 and 61 we have difference, that is 24. Now the third one, 12 and 18 we have 6, and 18 and 24 we have 6, right? So determine the n cube coefficient. Okay, so we have 6a, that is equals to 6, or we said a equals to 1. So the sequence we write the sequence like that: n equals to 1. Okay, then 6 minus 1 cube equals to 6. 1 cube is 1, so 6 minus 1 is 5. Now for n equals to 2, so we have the number, that is 13th. Okay, so 13 minus 2 cube, 2 cube is 8, so 13 minus 8 is 5. Now we have n equals to 3, the number is 32 minus 3 cube, so we have 3 cube 27, then 27 minus 32 minus 27 is again 5. Now n is 4, and the number we have, that is the 69. 4 cube. So 4 cube, we have 64, so we again get 5, right? So that means we have the 5 is the one. So n cube plus 5 is the answer of this thing. Okay, I hope this one is clear. Now we have again another series. So this is a geometric sequence. If you see, if we multiply 100 from 0.5, so we get 50, right? We just identify the pattern first, okay? And if we multiply 50 from 0.5, so we get 225, right? So that means if we multiply the number from 0.5, so we get the next number, right? So the ratio, or we say it R, equals to 0.5, A equals to 100, the first term, okay? Or we substitute 1 over 2 as well instead of R. So the formula we have, that is A into R, n minus 1 into the coefficient. Now what is A? A we have, that is the 100 into R. So R we have 0.5, n minus 1, okay. Then we write un, that is equals to 100 over, I also said you, we write the 1 over 2 as well. So I just write 2 n minus 1, okay. Then both answer are correct, this one and this one, both are correct, okay. So you just implement any one. I just write the first one, that is 100 times 0.5 n minus 1. So I hope this question is clear. If you have any query about this question, you will ask me into the comment section.